Helping. The new scientific decade of the International Association of Hydrological Sciences has global goals.
It wants to address water crises by integrating hydrological process understanding across scales and geographical contexts.
It wants to involve a great variety of actors, from researchers in hydrology and other disciplines, over decision makers to local communities.
In all of this, communication is key. However, many hydrologists still struggle with effective science communication, particularly if the audience includes non-hydrologists.
We set out to pinpoint the main challenges hydrologists face in science communication during helping, and the best practice solutions they use to overcome them.
First, we talked to long-term IAHS volunteers who have been involved in past scientific decades. They could tell us what science communication tactics work well.
Second, we organized 3 online workshops staggered by time zones to hold focus group discussions with the international hydrological community.
Third, we interviewed actors involved in hydrology science communications beyond IAHS, from small-town mayors sharing flood projections with their constituents over coordinators in NGOs working on water quality in the Global South to government officials involved in climate change adaptation.
Fourth, we launched an online survey to get a more quantitative view.
Our results show that some of the biggest challenges hydrologists highlighted in helping, they revolved around communication overload, with too many messages on too many different platforms.
Terminological and jargon barriers, especially in interdisciplinary collaboration and communication with non-hydrologists.
A lack of recognition of science communication as a valid activity on academic CV, and a lack of training and funding.
At the same time, however, hydrologists assign a large importance to effective science communication. 82% of them feel that there is a need for local engagement in science communication to be a standard part of projects.
70% feel a personal responsibility towards communicating science and engaging with non-scientific actors.
And 60% want more science communication opportunities in their professional lives.
Among the best practice strategies and recommendations, the most prominent that emerged were
tailoring your communications to your target audience. That includes choosing the right level of complexity and the right communication channel.
Among hydrologists, for example, 83% still list email as their preference.
providing multi-level communication with a single-page summary preceding a detailed report or a plain language abstract accompanying a paper.
Making the purpose of communication clear and being transparent about the uncertainties and margins of error, especially in interactions with local communities.
Beyond that, we need to work towards better integrating science communication into both training and recognition in academia.
Want to find out more? Our community paper is currently in review. Stay tuned for our full results.